I know everybody's wondering, what did I leave to go pick up? Well, we got it, and we just installed dual calipers on my brand new drift car. The fuck? It's a fucking Lambo. Who gives a shit what it's got done to it? That's lame as fuck.
That makes me a sad panda.
Hi guys. I'm sure everybody's wondering what I got. So it's a 2016 Lambo Huracan 580. That means it's two-wheel drive. It's got a 1060 full carbon forged kit on it. Bumper, fenders, hood, or frunk, or whatever you want to call it. Pillars, roof, rear bumper, wing, rear deck lid, everything. It's all carbon. It's got some Anarchy wheels on it, three-piece Anarchy wheels. It's supercharged. It's got a big VF Engineering supercharger on it. It's got a snow meth kit on it. It's got a handbrake on it. I'm just gonna start it up, man. I mean, this is fucking stupid. Why am I sitting here talking about this? I just broke it.
Really?
Oops. I literally just broke it. What the fuck? Lambos fucking suck. I literally just revved it and broke it. Wow.
Smells rich.
I literally just broke it. Fuck. Well, that sucks. Let's go get a OBD2 scanner. I mean, I guess. I don't know what in the fuck just happened. This isn't good. This isn't good. Shit. That's the battery. I need a 10. This is fucking... What the hell? You got a 10 mil?
Well, you already broke it?
I broke the window yesterday. So I rolled down the window. Well, I didn't have the window rolled down. Kinsley was getting in and her coach was talking to me and I shut the door on my finger and the window stopped working. And then we learned it has a pressure sensor in it. So we reset the pressure sensor by unhooking the battery and then it started working again. So I'm just gonna unhook the battery now, see if that does something. You know, I ain't never revved a damn LS and it just fall apart right away. Fuck. This damn drift car lives on the rev limiter. What the fuck? All right, let's go get a fucking scanner from the... Fuck, dude. Fuck this car, man. The fuck did it even do? I broke it. Fucking shit. God damn it. All I did was fucking rev the piece of shit. I didn't even fucking do anything. fuck this piece of shit. It's got fuel.
Yep.
Fuel in it. Yeah, I mean, I'm saying it's fueling the car. I can smell it. Yeah. It's kicking. That part's got no spark. Crankshaft, camshaft position sensors. I guarantee that's what I fucked up. I guarantee fucking it. There's a forum saying that if you rev it too hard, it could fucking fuck up the crankshaft position sensor. That's exactly what the fuck happened. Yeah. All right. Well, there's the video. No, you gotta replace the bitch. Fuck. I was gonna drive it too. God damn it, man. Fuck. Just fucking shit, dude. This sucks. All right, Brad. Just please go somewhere. I'm fucking so angry right now I can lose my fucking mind. My brand new drift car.
So long, gay boys!